Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add link to your TikTok bio in 2024. So, if you want to connect with your followers rather than on TikTok, you can add link to your other social platform like Instagram or YouTube or maybe Lemonade to your TikTok bio. And this is what you are going to do. First, let's just launch the TikTok app. So after this, you can just head to your profile, and then you can just go straight to this button, edit profile. So when you click on that, you'll see at the bottom there will be this social section. This is where you can add your Lemonade, Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter link. So here, for example, I'm going to just add my YouTube link. You can now just click on this add YouTube option, and then you'll be asked to choose your Google account. Just tap on the Google account, tap on continue, and after that, here your YouTube and the TikTok will be interlinked, or the link will be automatically added here. But if you want to add a website link here, you can do that in the business information. But if you are only on a personal account, then you need to switch it first into a business account. So to switch it, you can just go to three lines icon at your profile, go to the settings and privacy, and then here go to your account settings, and there will be the switch to business account. So as I already switched to business account, this show switch to personal account. And after you switch into your business account, you can just go to edit profile, and in here you can just paste or enter your website in this options right here. But before you can add in your website, you need to fill in some form to give information about your business. So here you can tap on get started. You can enter your business name, your country, region, address, and others. And here at the bottom there will be this website, business website, that you can add here. For example, www greatbusiness.com. After that, you can tap on next, and the link will be added to your TikTok bio. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.